How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do Get a Deeper Voice in only 3 minutes, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. So this is going to be a workout. I'm going to show you guys a quick little workout that you can do. We'll do it right now. So the first exercise that we're going to do, I want you to put your hand on your stomach. Now what you're going to do is you're going to force air through your stomach. So you're going to breathe in and out through your stomach. Your chest should not raise. So your chest shouldn't do this like how you normally. You want to push air through your stomach. So an easy way to do this, put your hand on your stomach, and what you should do is you should move your hand forward and back like this. So that's 10, keep going. 15, quick little break. Now, I make this look easy because I've been practicing this for a very long time. So if you're a little rusty or you're not very good at doing this, that's fine. A little bit of practice, you'll be better. Next exercise that we want to do is we want to take 3 deep breaths. So really, really deep breaths. Your chest should rise. So just like this. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, the next exercise that I want you guys to do is I want you to put your tongue on the roof of your mouth like this. And I want you to hold that for 20 seconds. So just like this. So again, putting your tongue on the top of your mouth like this. Perfect, quick little break. Now that works well because it strengthens the jawline. It's basically mewing, if you guys have ever heard of that. Strengthens the jawline, works really, really good. So we're gonna come to here again, we're gonna do this. Perfect. Okay, so that is the workout, you guys. Not too bad of a workout. Keep practicing it and you will get better. Your voice will get deeper. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.